Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's often that people ask me, how do I find the stocks that I want to trade? And I really revert back to the companies that I spend my own money with. So that's an example I want to share with you today. Of course, whatever we discuss is for information and educational purposes only. Take a quick second, look over this disclaimer, and we'll jump right in. So, as many of you know, I'm a big outdoor guy. I like hunting, I like fishing, I like being out on the golf course. I just love to be outside. It's just kind of who I am. It's the way I was raised, and I think it's the way I'll spend the rest of my life. I mean, I'm not really an indoor kind of guy. I like to be outside. So whether it be the heat, the peak of the heat in the summer, or the cold in the wintertime when I'm sitting in a tree stand or a hunting blind, or I'm out on the golf course and the sun's beating down on me, I like to have a nice beverage. Now, in the wintertime, of course, I want my beverage to stay warm as possible for as long as possible. In the summertime, I want my beverage to stay as cold as possible for as long as possible. So I have resorted to buy Yeti products. Now, these Yeti products are come available in all different kinds of sizes, shapes, coolers, all the way down to your simple coffee cup. But the great thing about them, yes, they're a little expensive, I won't lie. But if I put hot coffee in there at 4 o'clock in the morning, my coffee is still hot at 4 o'clock in the afternoon when I'm sitting in my hunting blind. If I put a cold beverage in there first thing in the morning and I head out to the golf course to go play 36 holes, by the time I finish, my drink is still ice cold. So when you find a product that you love or a service that you love, it's not a bad idea to put their stock on your radar. And Yeti's been on my radar because I love the product. So Yeti has just set up for a really nice long. We're breaking out to new highs. You could see on the weekly and monthly charts since the pandemic correction that this stock has been on an absolute tear. Now, this falls right in line with that outdoor play. I mean, the RV sector, the boating sector, the outdoor sector in a whole, camping, RVing, across the board has become really, really strong. Well, why? Because we were restricted to social distancing. Well, if we need to social distance, there's no better place to do that than outside. So the sale of four-wheelers and dirt bikes and off-road vehicles and watercraft and boats and jet skis and RVs and all of that stuff the past year and a half has been really, really strong because people said, listen, I still want to live my life. Maybe I can't get on a plane. Maybe I can't go to a resort or a hotel or whatever, but I still want to enjoy my life. So they've resorted to outdoor activities. And you can see, I mean, this stock went from about 20 bucks on the back of the correction to about 80. We're sitting at about $87 right now. And that happened in not too long of a period of time. So Yeti has just set up for a long couple days back at 79 bucks, and it's running really, really well. So I just want to bring this to your attention. Guys, whatever businesses that you patronize, whatever products that you use, put those stocks on your radar. I mean, because if you're using them and spending money with them, likely somebody else is as well. And it may present a trade opportunity for you. Now, impossible is just an opinion. Listen, there are so many people in life who have looked at whatever it was they were trying to achieve and thought it was unachievable or impossible to be done. And guess what? Somebody else out there has done it. Somebody else out there has done the unthinkable. And guess what? You can too. It's just a mindset. It's a decision of, hey, I can do this. I'm willing to do this. I'm willing to suffer for it, whatever it takes. I want to be successful. I want to be consistent. I want to be disciplined. And guys, this fulfills every part of your life. Physical fitness, your diet, your relationships, your business, your jobs, your trading, your investing. That discipline, it comes across the entire board. So it's not impossible. It's merely a choice and then some great follow through. So guys, if you'd like to have the indicators, the know-how, the insight, the training to find when your particular companies that you patronize are poised to pop, so you can take advantage of them from an investment standpoint, there's a link directly below this video. If you click on it, it will take you to the Project VSwarm webinar. We're going to show you how our volume-based indicators set you up to take these low-risk, high-probability trades on these great companies that you're already spending money on, whether you realize it or not. So to get that advantage, click on the link, get signed up. We'd love to welcome you to the Hawkeye family. Now, guys, once you become a member in the members area, there is a ton of training material. And every Wednesday morning, you get the opportunity to work with me live from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the live edge of the market. We're going to look at your stocks, your picks, and we're going to tear them apart, and we're going to help you make the best decisions for yourself. So guys, click that link, get signed up. Questions, comments, concerns, feel free to email us or give us a shout, 888-233-8598. I wish you a blessed day, and I look forward to working with you soon. Take care.